dentist and I didn't even know that something like this exists. I recently discovered a concept called oil pulling. Some swear by it and some think it's just another wellness facade. But does swishing oil around your mouth actually do anything? Oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic practice where you swish oil, usually coconut, sesame or sunflower oil, in your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes. And it is believed that it pulls out toxins, reduces bacteria and improves oral and overall health. Do you think science backs it up? It's so new to me and so fascinating as well, so I did some research. Let me tell you what I found. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which can break down the cell walls of harmful bacteria like Streptococcus mutans, the one responsible for causing cavities. I mean, let's be real. What are we doing with the brushing and flossing? But here's what it won't do. It is not going to detox your body. It is not a replacement for your toothbrush and floss, and it is definitely not going to fix your cavities. Did you know this? And if you didn't, let me know what you think about it.